We gon' run it. What? What? 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 We gon' run it. One more time. We gon' run it. Two more times. We gon' run it. Three more times. We gon' run it. Four more times. We gon' run it up.
What's up, YouTube fans? Swag Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another sneaker review. But before we get into it, make sure you guys are already subscribed to my channel. If you're a first-time viewer, welcome. I'm Swaggy T, Swaggy Trice, whatever you want to call me. Thank you for joining. And follow me on all my social media at _Trice. Links are down below in the description. I would say mainly follow my IG because whatever I get in, it goes up on there first on my IG story, so Instagram mainly. And yeah, leave a comment down below as well. Let me know how you found my channel. And as you can tell by the video title, let me know if you want me to do a how to style video, because today I'm just doing the review and giving y'all the on foot of the shoe. So let me know if you want to see how to style. As you can see by the title of the video, I'm reviewing the Converse Fleur Tyler the Creator collab. Now, I wasn't able to cop on the release date, which was July 8th. So I think at like 2 days after, maybe 3, I don't know, I was able to cop off of Ssense, and I had to pay a little bit more because I think the store is like overseas, so I had to pay a little bit more. They sold out instantly on release day, so I wasn't too much surprised about that. But prior to these, I think last year, 2019, 2020, something like that, he released the Blue Flame, and I wanted those, but I knew I didn't wear like a lot of blue sneakers, so it would have been kind of, you know, like a every now and then type of thing, you know, if I brought those out. So when I saw these, I was like, it's an automatic cop. But when I did see the pictures, when they first released, I thought it was like an off-white sneaker, but the sneaker is more yellow than, you know, what I thought it would be. So it said the colors that were used was like a pastel yellow and pink and, you know, blue and all that. So I'll make it work. I feel like it'll be a shoe that I can wear, you know, consistently. So there's that. It's dope. It's not much to it because, you know Chuck Taylor's. It's the Chuck Taylor silhouette, and it's, you know, not much to go into. It's just a different colorway, and the flames just have, you know, sort of different colors. I know it's hard to see in the light, so I'm gonna make sure I throw in some B-rolls for you guys. But you see that pink bottom right there. Now, it did come with extra pair of laces. I don't know if you guys can see the laces, or I don't know, it's focused on my face. I don't know if y'all can see it. No, y'all can see it. But it's the same color as the sneaker, so it's not much to it. I just wanted to do a review and talk about the shoe a little bit. If y'all listen to Tyler's Call Me If You're Lost album, it comes fresh off of that. I'm guessing that's the inspiration for the colorway and whatnot. That's just what I get. So yeah, I'm looking at the album cover. I don't know, I just get those vibes from it. So yeah, but overall, dope sneaker. I don't want to ramble on because, like I said, it's a Converse sneaker. It's not much to talk about. And I know, well, when I did cop the shoe and I tried to find like a video on YouTube to actually try and see, you know, what the shoe was like in hand, I couldn't find too many. I found like 2 videos. So hopefully you guys gravitated to my video and you guys enjoyed this video. And you leave a like. Go ahead, hit that like button for me. Yeah, go ahead. It's okay. I'll give you a second. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. And make sure you subscribe if you're a new viewer. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what video brought you to my channel. And let me know if you want to see a how to style video for this sneaker. I have plenty more videos in the chamber. I'm just releasing them whenever I feel like it. So thank you guys for supporting my channel, watching this video, and all that good stuff. And make sure you follow me on my Instagram, because that's where you can primarily see anything that I get in hand first. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into on feet so I kicks them out. Thank you guys so much for the support, and just checking in whenever I post. Thank you. All right, let's get into the on feet. Peace.